Hey Chance, today we are going to learn basic Node.js application setup with MongoDB and Express. So now let's we start. So first we need to create application, initiate application. While the application is set up now, we need to create new file on index.js. Okay. Okay, so no need to change anything, just going to the default value. So the default entry point is index.js, which is already created. So now first const express require express and the create application. Okay. Now app dot listen console dot log. The server is running a spot 3000. Now we will run it as 2000. So first need to create a folder. And so first create a folder structure, new folder, configs. You can add your any config files here. And the other one is modules. All the modules we have created in module. And the other one is browse, and you can add helper, middleware, any other folder is in app folder. Okay. So first need to create a DB file, db.js, and there is const MongoDB, Mongos, Mongo, require Mongo, and Mongo dot connect. So create the name is basic node app. So this is the database name. Okay. Now mm, we need to set Mongoose as debug to. Okay. So our DB file is ready to work. Now going to the module section. So we need to create a folder. The first module we have created a user. Okay. User has three files. One is controller and the other file is route and the third file is module. So model. Mhm. Model. So now we have created a model const mongoose dot sorry require mongoose user create a schema that user schema mongoose. We are we have created name and age here. So name type is still required to, so no need to add required. Just add default is blank and same as default is blank. Okay, so this is the basic model. You have to create many fields, but currently we have just created two fields. Okay, user schema, module export, Mongoose model, user schema. Okay, so the model is ready. Now going to the controller. Controller as let controller require controller. Okay, controller get rest or send. So this is gate and console log. No, sorry, module for exports controller. So now the controller is ready. Model route. Let router express router dot post post. So now this is the gate and the controller dot gate. So this is the controller gate method. Now module dot export router. This route is also done. Okay. There is no database connection in user model currently. Okay. Going to the controller and call a user model. Let user model require model and first need to await dot create name zone now is 25. Await is working only async function. Okay, so this will be work and now same as user data, get user data, that user data, await user model find without any condition. So it's get full data. Okay. Now first create a user and second one is get all the users data in user data. So controller model and routes all clear. Now going to the route section. So create a file index.js. So now let router require router. So router dot use user require user. So now model module user routes. So the user route is there in routes. Now you can use user and the category model and create category model and call here like router dot use product or category. Okay, something like this. So you can choose anyone, create multiple routes here. Okay, now module dot exports routes. So this is also done. This index route is done, and user controller is done. Model is also done. Routes is also done. So these two things is done. Now going to the index section. So first call DB file here require config DB app config DB. Okay, now DB file is coming in. Okay, now app dot use. Now this route will be calling here like API and the require app route app routes. Okay, so app routes is user and user has multiple routes is gain and create, create, choose this as gate and also this is post. So gate and as it is copy create method. So user has been created. User has been created successfully. Okay. Now create and gate. Now remove user creating gate function. So first one route is gate and the other route is post. So the basic application setup is done. Now we need to check this is done or not. Now first need to create use help method. Help check health of this method and press or sensor mentioning. Okay. Okay. Now need to check first local host. Okay. Need to install cd basic npm init. Okay. Now npm install install module, npm install Express. Node index.js. Now server is running. 2000. Okay. So first going to get, so there is already some user created here. Now we need to create new user. Create. Okay. So this is post API. That's why it's say cannot get API user create. Now we are going to here use this send. Now user has been created. So now you can check the user zone now and age 25 has been created. And if you check again, send and the user has been created. Now you can see. So friends, the basic application setup has been done now. If you think this video is useful to you, so like this video and share this video with your friends and colleagues and subscribe my channel. Make sure hit the bell icon. So when I upload the video, you will get notification. And I will upload this type of videos in our channel. So thank you very much for watching my video.